Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Litecoin from Tangem Wallet to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Litecoin in your Tangem Wallet and want to move it over to Phantom for better accessibility or trading, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check your steps to avoid any hiccups in the blockchain world. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and updated to their 2025 versions. Open your Tangem Wallet app on your device. You'll need to navigate to the Assets or Wallet section and select your Litecoin holdings. Once there, look for the Withdraw or Send button. It's usually prominent and easy to find. Next, enter the recipient address. This is crucial. Copy the Litecoin address from your Phantom Wallet. To do this, open the Phantom app, go to your Litecoin account, and tap on the Receive option to display and copy the address. Paste this carefully into the Tangem Wallet's withdrawal form to prevent any errors. Now, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might be dynamic based on network congestion, so check the estimated fees before proceeding. Once you're happy with the details, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify this with your Tangem device's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan, for added safety. After submission, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Litecoin network. Keep an eye on your Tangem Wallet for confirmation status. Once it's done, head over to your Phantom Wallet, refresh the app, and voila! Your Litecoin should appear. A quick tip: always use official apps and double-check addresses to steer clear of scams. If you run into issues, reach out to the wallet support teams. There you have it, folks. You've just withdrawn Litecoin like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.